Well, good morning, everybody. Jim here with Totally Relaxed, and yep, I'm at it again. Only this time, it's with a different camera. I was digging around in my camera equipment looking for parts actually to make my existing HoHem motorized gimbal work with my GoPro 10, and I ran across this camera right here that I'm videoing with right now. I'm sure the stabilization sucks, but I charged it all up, set the date and everything, set everything pretty much to standard on the settings, and we're going to see how it looks. I bought this camera, oh God, had to be at least 15 years ago, I guess. I forgot I even had it. And amazingly, I still had the charging cord. And speaking of the charging cord, when I was looking up the information online, right now, I can buy this phone right now. I mean, this camera, this 35 millimeter camera on eBay for $25. If you lose your charging cord, you got to pay $22 for it. Is that crazy or what? But anyway, this is definitely a discontinued item, I guess. That's what the website says from Sanyo. Obviously, it must not be too discontinued because they're still selling them like hotcakes on eBay. So I don't know. But anyway, I thought it was kind of interesting. I've been fooling with this thing for about the last couple of hours, just learning everything I can about it, seeing what it's going to sound like. I know the speaker on the camera itself, you got to stick the camera in your ear, not on it, but in it to hear it. Hopefully it won't be so bad when I pull I can't even think of the name of it, out of the camera and put it into my iPad to check out. I'm sure it'll be louder then. But anyway, I just thought I'd throw this to y'all this morning. It's cloudy today as usual. It's supposed to be sunshiny today, but it certainly isn't. Not right now anyway. Oh well. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.